I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Maps on Apple Watch Ultra. To begin, simply open the Maps application from your watch's app view. Once open, you can easily navigate the map. Rotate the digital crown to smoothly zoom in or out, giving you a broader or more detailed perspective. A quick tap and drag on the screen allows you to pan across the map, exploring different locations with ease. It's a very intuitive way to get your bearings right from your wrist. Once you're ready to go somewhere, finding directions is straightforward. Tap the search icon within the Maps app to input your desired destination, whether it's a specific address or a point of interest. After selecting your location, choose your travel method, such as walking, driving, or public transit. Your Apple Watch Ultra will then provide clear, turn-by-turn directions, complete with haptic feedback to alert you of upcoming turns, keeping your eyes up and focused on your surroundings. A fantastic feature for adventurers is the ability to use offline maps. You can download entire map regions on your paired iPhone, and these will automatically sync to your Apple Watch Ultra, allowing navigation even without a cellular connection. This is incredibly useful for remote areas. You can also tap on points of interest directly on the map to view detailed information, including business hours, contact numbers, and reviews, all conveniently accessible from your wrist. To enhance your map experience, consider customizing your settings. You can adjust the map view to show compass orientation or specific transit options directly on your watch. For quick access, assign a map shortcut to the customizable action button, allowing you to instantly launch navigation or drop a waypoint. Remember, managing background app refresh for maps can help extend your battery life, ensuring your watch is ready for your next adventure, even on longer excursions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.